Hi, I'm AJ Wilcox. I'm the chief LinkedIn ads fanatic here at b2linked.com. All right, should you use carousel ads? The short answer is definitely not, but the reason why is going to surprise you. All right, so what are LinkedIn ads carousel ads? They're an ad format where you can have multiple images and links in a scrollable carousel. Sounds great, right? Well, in practice, LinkedIn made a product decision that totally killed these. Carousel ads on LinkedIn are the only ad format that can charge you multiple times. So let's say I have a carousel ad where the first slide is talking about this video that you're watching. The next slide is maybe linking to the B2 Linked YouTube channel. If I'm bidding $8 per click, for instance, if you click on the link to this video, I just got charged $8. Totally expected. But then if you go back to the ad and you now click on the second link, the one to my YouTube channel, even if it's in the same session, I just got charged again. So one user in a single session can drain your whole daily budget if they're actually interested in what you're showing them. So what should you do instead? There's a newer ad format on LinkedIn called document ads, and it performs much better. It still gives the user that similar ability to scroll through an engaging kind of carousel. The only difference, though, is that rather than each image in the carousel having a separate link, document ads just have one destination URL that you can set. So you upload a single PDF document rather than a bunch of separate image files. For more awesome LinkedIn ads tips, tricks, and how-tos, subscribe to the LinkedIn Ads Show podcast. And if you want to become a LinkedIn Ads 1%er, come join my private community at fanatics.b2linked.com. I'll see you there.